What we heard is the story of the multiplication of loaves and fish. But there is this one particular detail in this story of St. John that I'd like us to pay attention to. Jesus ordered the people to recline. He said, have the people recline. Not just sit, but recline. Not just stand, but recline. Back in those days, in the time of Jesus, it was only the family members and guests who reclined when eating, and not the servants. Reclining at meals was a symbol of freedom and also relaxation. It was also to show respect and intimacy to one another. When Jesus ordered the people to recline while eating, he was like saying to them, you're not a slave. Eat like you're a family. Eat with class and style. Eat the food with dignity and pride. Treat one another as family members. Treat one another as friends, not as strangers or slaves. Brothers and sisters, the multiplication of loaves is always considered as a prefiguration of the Mass of the Eucharist. And here in this Mass, Jesus is telling us the same thing, same command. It does not mean that we physically recline. No. But it is to treat one another, not as strangers, but as family members. Treat one another as friends. Treat one another as brothers and sisters. We share one and the same food, the body of Christ, the blood of Christ. There should not exist division among us, no discrimination among us. Let there be no one here present who would feel that he or she is a stranger to this congregation. Like Jesus, we should have compassion and love for everyone, regardless of who he is or who she is, regardless of the background and the status. So it is good to answer these questions. Do you make everyone here, without exception, feel welcome? Do you make gestures or say words that would alienate someone to feel he or she has no place in this congregation, in the church, that she does not belong here? Or do you treat everyone as a friend, or like my brother, my sister, for that is who we really are in the eyes of God? We are just brothers and sisters. So I tell you, dear brothers and sisters, sit and relax and be friends to one another.